What's up guys, welcome back to Techie Anish, and today we have the Moto G54 5G. This is a really good choice if you want a stock Android phone under Rs 15,000. Although today we have the 256GB model which we purchased for just Rs 16,000, and you know what, it comes with 12GB of RAM. So if you ever wanted to use a phone with 12GB of RAM, then this one will fall right into your budget. Inside the box you also get a charger and a case for your phone, so you don't need to spend anything extra on these things. And you get a fast 33W charger here, so you can even fast charge your new iPhone 15 if you have it. But when it comes to this phone, you might not have to charge it that much as it comes with a massive 6000 mAh battery, so it's gonna last you all day comfortably. Where an 80,000 rupee iPhone 15 gives you a 60Hz panel, this 15,000 rupees phone gives you a smooth 120Hz display. So whenever you scroll through the UI, you are going to feel silky smooth interactions. If you are looking for a phone with 120Hz refresh rate, this is a great option. However, please keep in mind that this screen is Full HD IPS LCD display and not AMOLED. So if AMOLED is a must for you, then this phone might not be the right choice for you. But the quality of this LCD screen is quite good indoors, although it might appear slightly dim outdoors. Still, for 15,000 rupees, what more can you ask for? Combine this 120Hz display with its 12GB of RAM, MediaTek Dimensity 7020 chipset and the stock Android UI, and this phone runs like butter in day-to-day operations. In terms of performance, the Dimensity 7020 is comparable to the Snapdragon 695 as you can see in the comparison here. Both the chipsets are suitable for day-to-day tasks, and this phone, as I mentioned, performs well because the apps remain in memory due to its 12GB of RAM. The Dimensity 7020 is a 5G chipset and this phone supports 14 5G bands. So Moto phones are always the best phones to use 5G, and this one is no different from them. Now let's talk about the cameras. Here you get a 50 megapixel primary camera with OIS, which means your photos and videos will be very stable. You also have an 8 megapixel ultra wide lens with a 118-degree field of view. It's very rare to see any phone in this price range not having that rubbish 2 megapixel cameras, so you gotta give that credit to Motorola. Let's check some pictures now, and for the price range, you are getting good pair of cameras. These pictures were shot in early morning with a lot of clouds in the sky, but still the phone handled the exposure nicely. And since you don't have a telephoto lens here, the max zoom that you get looks something like this. There was a thirsty crow sitting on a solar panel of the house next to me, so we took a picture and the zoom looks something like this. Videos here are really stable and smooth. Although you don't get 4K videos or 60 FPS, but still the videos are quite stable. This video that you see here is a handheld video and I haven't put the phone on tripod. There's also super stable mode here. So without super stable mode, if I shake the camera, it looks something like this. But with the stabilization on, it feels like I am not even shaking the phone at all. The portrait mode is really nice here on both the rear and the front cameras. The edge detection is on point, and on the front you get a 16 megapixel camera. So overall you get good quality cameras here. Okay, we are talking about a Moto phone, so we need to talk about its software. You get stock Android 13 and with it you get this Moto app where all the magic lies. Firstly, there is the personalization section where you can find a beautiful UI that centralizes all your settings for customization. You can personalize your wallpaper, themes, fonts, colors, icon shapes, text size, home screen layout, and ringtones all in one place. Next is the gestures section where you will find all the Moto's gestures such as twisting to open the camera, double chopping for the flashlight, a sidebar option, a 3-finger screenshot, flip for DND, and lift to unlock gestures. Then comes the Moto Secure where you can create a secure folder of your private photos, videos and documents while also protecting your network from phishing attacks. You can check your phone's security whenever you want to, and it also offers a privacy dashboard. All these features are bundled into a single app and it is quite impressive. As for the bloatware, you will find only the Facebook app and a few random apps that can be easily uninstalled. So this phone comes with a solid software. Now regarding the design, the phone is entirely made of plastic, but it comes with a nice matte finish, so you don't need to worry too much about the fingerprints. It also includes a headphone jack. Although it has a 6000 mAh battery, the phone is comfortable to hold due to its well-distributed weight, and you get a tapered back which provides you with a solid grip on the phone so it doesn't slip out of your hands easily. So the design is nice here. Let's quickly check its biometrics. As you can see, the fingerprint reader is lightning fast and the face unlock also works seamlessly. Let's also check its speakers. We're like a disguise. I come around with the perfect alibi. Midnight,
pouring my heart out like a water. Take time, you know this night ain't getting younger. Feels like chasing a star up and down in the sky. I can't get enough of sweet.
So these are stereo speakers and they offer excellent quality with Dolby Atmos sound. They are loud and the sound volume is well balanced from both the top and the bottom. So it's not just a top speaker for show, it's a high quality speaker. So guys, that is the Moto G54 5G. If you are looking for a 5G phone under ₹15,000 that offers a clean stock Android experience, a large 6000 mAh battery, good cameras, a fast 120Hz refresh rate, 256GB of storage, 12GB of RAM and the Dimensity 7020 chipset, this phone is an excellent choice. So, did you like the phone? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you very soon.